Hi, Owen.
Hi.
Here's a phone I used to have. See if you can figure it out. I want you to try to dial my number.
Okay.
Alright. Dial 407. Nope, that's not how you do it.
I don't know.
See if you can figure it out. Dial 4. Nope. Try again. Dial 4.
Oh boy. Old fashioned.
Go ahead. Yeah, try 4. Good. Dial 4. Yeah, that's kind of how you do it. Go ahead. Nope. Dial 4. Dial it. Dial 4. You know how to do it?
No.
Dial, pick it up. Pick up the phone, dial 4. First you have to pick up the phone.
Oh.
You don't know how to use that, do you?
Yeah.
That's sad, isn't it?
Look. 4. Oh.
Ah.
So dial 4. Yep. 0. 7. That's how you dial a phone number when I was a kid.
What's the next number?
Oh, well, I'm not going to give that out here. We can make one up. 5.
Okay.
9.
What if somebody actually tried to dial it?
9. But that's how you dial a phone. Isn't that cool?
6. 4. No. Wait. Yeah.
Oh, if you do it and you screw it up, you gotta start all over.
Oh God. 4. 7. 6. No.
Cool, huh? Alright, now you know how to dial a rotary phone. Say bye.
Bye. First time ever.
First time ever.
Okay. Are you gonna put this on the internet?
Am I gonna put it on the internet?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do it. Oh, I'll see you on the internet, people.